Hi guys, I'm going to see if we can assemble the frog. I don't have instructions. I have a picture of the finished item, but no instructions. So we're going to have to work this out a bit. Right, that's two sides of the body, I think. Oh dearie me, Grandad. I'm going to stop filming for a few minutes, and well, we're into 13 minutes already and I haven't made any progress. We'll be back in a minute. Well, I've managed to work it out. That's not the right picture for that laser cut. I've searched Pinterest. That's the picture that I should be following. Still no instructions, but that's the picture. So if we come down here again, I've started to work out the legs now. So completely different to what I was trying to do. So that's that side. That's the other side. Front legs. Where's the other piece? That one. That goes on. Let's get the same way around. Goes on there, then where am I? A little square shaped piece somewhere. Oh, that one. I was trying somewhere. Right, that one is going to go through there. Like that. That little bit goes on the outside, just sort of like that to give it a bit of thickness. Same on that one. Oh, that didn't go on quite so well on there. Went on all right there, so what's the difference? I haven't got that pulled as far forwards. Why isn't that going all the way on? Oh wow. I didn't think we were going to manage that. But we're there. A couple of bits I'm not 100% certain with. And there's a couple of bits there that just don't seem to be sitting in there properly. That's him. Done. But we were following the wrong picture to begin with. I'll probably fast forward that with a little covering note on it to explain it's going the wrong way because we're following the wrong picture. That bit's not lining up quite right, but I'm not going to worry too much. That ought to bend down a bit. I think that'll do. We spent long enough on this. That was a lot harder than expected, and part of that was because it was the wrong picture that I was looking at. Looking at the picture on the screen there, it says it's 6 inches high, 8.5 inches wide, and 9.5 inches front to back. So you can tell that I've made this a lot smaller than the original item. I'll probably put some glue on it so it doesn't fall apart when I put it on the shelf. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.